Movement is life, and at Sichuan Chenanhui Technology, we're redefining what's possible in orthopedic care. Through precision engineering and relentless innovation, we develop advanced orthopedic solutions that restore mobility and transform lives. Our comprehensive range includes durable joint replacement systems for hips, knees, and shoulders, smart trauma fixation devices for faster recovery, innovative spinal solutions for complex cases, specialized instruments for minimally invasive procedures. Each device combines cutting-edge materials with anatomical precision, delivering 30% faster surgical procedures, 25% shorter recovery times, proven long-term clinical outcomes, trusted by leading medical institutions across Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. Our solutions meet the highest global standards. With ISO 13485 and FDA certifications, we guarantee uncompromising quality control, rigorous product testing, complete traceability. From our advanced manufacturing base in China, we serve partners worldwide with customized solutions for local markets, responsive technical support, comprehensive training programs. Join us at CMEF 2025, Booth 62F34, to experience our innovations firsthand. Let's collaborate to advance orthopedic care globally. Sichuan Chenanhui Technology, engineering mobility, empowering lives.